Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss lesson 1-7, understand rates and unit rates practice. So we will discuss the rates and the unit rate. To solve these questions, we can use any of the strategy to solve each of the problem. And as you know, there are different strategies in math to solve the questions, but we will apply the same strategy in all the questions to avoid any confusion. So number one thing that is given here is the rates. Rates mean if we have given two things, the rates we call them the special part of ratios because the ratio discuss with either the same unit or different units. But rate discuss with the different units only. For example, you can see hippopotamus can 6 kilometers can run 6 kilometers in 15 minutes. So one unit is kilometers and the second unit is minute. They are opposite to each other, and the distance is in kilometers and the time is in the minute. So when you have two different units, we call them rate. And then he write at this rate how far can run in 1 minute. Okay. Now, everything that we will calculate for 1 minute or 1 second or 1 hour, whatever, we call its unit rate. So, yani it means if the denominator will be 1, we will say that these are the unit rates. So, number one question, if it's run 6 kilometers in 15 minutes, he's asking to calculate it for 1 minute. So, in the denominator, we must have 1. So, I will divide the 6 by 15. Now I want to make the denominator 1. So if I will divide it, I will get that in 1 minute. If I divide both numbers by 15, it will give me 1 minute. And so if I divide 6 by 15, how many kilometers will be there? You can see 6 is less than 15. We can't divide it. If we can't divide, we will put 0. But still we can't divide it. So now the next step is add the decimals, and decimal will give you a 0 here. Now we have 60. How many 15s are in 60s? 15 times 4 will give us 60. So it means the distance will be how many kilometers? 0.4 in 1 minute. So this one in the denominator for any 1 minute we called its unit rate. And this is the unit rate. Okay, so we find that it can run 0.4 kilometers in 1 minute, which is also same which, well, I mean 0.4 divided by 1 will remain 0.4. So this is the way how to solve the question. Okay, same. Amina earned 261 last week. If she worked 18 hours, yani she is working 18 hours and she earned 261 and earn the same amount each. Look, one is the week, yani she's working per week, and second is the number of hours. They are two different units, which we call the rate. Okay, how much was she paid per hour? Yani calculate the amount that she earned per hour. So for this one, I must make in the denominator 1, yani 1 hour. So for this one, we will write 261 divided by 18. We will make the denominator 1 by dividing, and we will check that in 1 hour how much she earned. Okay, so 261, same, this is long division. Okay, so I'm doing here in the rough work. Now I will check that how many 18s are in 2. There is no 18 in 2, so the x power will be 26. How many 18s are 26? 18 times 1 is 18. And when you minus 26 minus 18, it will give you 8. And we will bring down 1. Now we have 85, 81, sorry. I know that 18 times 4 is 72. If I will minus, it will give me 9. No, I stuck here. I don't have any number with 261 and I have remainder which I don't need. So for this one, I will put here a decimal. Decimal will give me a 0. It will become 90. So 18 times 5 is 90. 90 minus 90 will be 0. It means she is earning 14.5 per hour. Why I'm writing 1 in the denominator? Just to show you that in 1 hour she earned $14.5. Okay. Same is the question number 3, and every question is same like this one. Question number 3: a cat's heart beat approximately uh, 45 times in 15 seconds. So at this rate, how many? Look, one is times, yani heartbeat is 45 times in second, different units. So this is rate. How many times does the cat heartbeat per second? Calculate for 1 second. So we will write seconds in the denominator, 45 over 15. Okay, if we divide 45 by 15, it will give us 3. Yani in 1 second, how many times the heartbeat? 3 times. Same is the question. Miss Fairley used 4 pounds of hamburger to make 10 hamburger patties of the same size. How many pounds of hamburger did she use per patty? Yani we have to calculate for one patty, so we will divide the number of pounds that are 4 by the number of patties that are 10. We want to make one patties, so we divide it by 10. So I will check how many hamburgers are in 10. So again we will divide 4 by 10. So you can see 4 is less than 10, we can't divide it. So we stuck here, we will put the decimal, and decimal will give us a 0. So 4 times 10 times 4 is 40. Okay, and this will be 0. So it means in one patty, how many hamburgers are there? 0.4 pounds. This is decimal here, okay. Then same on, if we have the price, we will always write the price in the numerator. For example, question 5, 6, 7, and 8. We will write the price in the. Now we have given two different choices. At the school festival, Ether can buy 25 games tickets for $10. So one option is here until yani either he can buy, sorry, she can buy 25 game tickets for $10. One option, or alone she can pay 0.50 per game ticket. She has two choices, either to pay 0.50 per game ticket, or she must buy 25 game tickets for 10. We will see that which option has the lesser price. Either she pay alone 0.50 or she buy in the group 25 tickets. So for this one, always the cost will be in the numerator, okay? So I will divide 10 by 25, okay? The cost mean the price or whatever, it's in the dollar, so you will write in the numerator, divide by 25 tickets. I will find the price of one ticket in the group. So how much is the price of one? Again, I have to divide 10 divide by 25. Now I can see that 10 is less than 25. It's not possible to divide. So for this one, I will say I can't divide it. Put the decimal and add a 0. It will become 124. 25 times 4 is 100. Okay. So it means if she's gonna buy 25 game tickets for $10, one ticket is costing 0.4. But if she will go alone and she will buy for 0.50, okay, so 0.4 is less than 0.50. Yani if she will buy the tickets, 25 tickets, it will cost lesser as compared to the individual one. So which option has the lesser price? So we will say not the individual one. If she will buy 25 games ticket, that will cost less. Okay, he was asking, so we have to write the answer like that way. Same question number. The next question is same. We have two different choices. Number one is, at a store there is an offer that if you buy 6 mini football for 7.50, I will see what will be the cost of one football. Again, the price will be in the numerator. Always the price will be in the numerator. How much will be the cost of one football in this case? And same, if there are 8 mini footballs, it's costing 9.60 divided by 8. In both cases, I will check what will be the price of one football so I can compare how much is the price of which one has the lesser price. So if I divide 7.50 by 6. I will see how many 6 are in 7. We know that there is one 6 in 7. 6 times 1 is 6. We have 1. Then we have this decimal here. The decimal will goes up 1 point, and we will bring down 5. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12, and 12, 15 minus 12 is 3, and we will bring down the remaining 0 here, will give us 30. 6 times 5 will be 30, and 30 minus 30 will be 0. Okay, so it means here in this case, if he will buy 6 mini footballs, one cost, the price of one football is 1.25. And if you buy this one, 8 mini footballs, what will be the price of one football? In that case, we will divide by 8 and we will see. How many 8s are in 9? 8 times 1 is 8. We have 1. I will bring down the next number 0, sorry 6. Here this one 6 down. And the decimal that is already here will goes up. 8 times 2 is 16. Now 16 minus 16 is 0. We have remainder 0, but still we have 1 0 here, which we didn't bring down, so it will goes up. It will be 1.20. Now you can compare in both cases. If there are two offers, one is costing 6 mini football 7.50 and 8 mini football 9.6, we find the price of one football in each cases. Now we can see that which one will cost us less. You can see 1.25 is more than 1.20. So 1.20 is costing less price. So we will say that if you will buy 8 mini footballs, this will cost less, because he's asking which option has the lesser price. Okay. Same question number. Next one is the same. The table shows that Zoe's mother has offer buying ticket to advanced day trip for Zoe's for offer. Which option has the lesser cost? Again, he's asking which one is the lesser cost. You have two options. You can see here option and the cost. If there are 6 pack of student ticket, they are totally paying 126, and individual one, yani alone, ticket is costing 21. How I will compare? If I know that what will be the cost of one student in the group, then I can compare which one is the lesser price. So I will divide total cost is 126 by, for how many students? 6 students. I will check what will be the cost of one. If you divide it, 6 times 2 will be 12, and 2 times 6 will be 1. So in 6 pack of student, each one is paying 21. If there is a group of student, they will pay 21. Each one will pay 21. But if they will go alone and buy a ticket, it will cost 50 cents more than the group. So which one is costing less? If there will be 6 pack of student. Okay. So 6 pack of students will cost less as compared to the individual student ticket. Same is the question, we solve this one. You will divide all of these option. The price is given, divide 6 by 8, 4 by 5, 8 by 12, and 12 by 16. When you will divide, you will compare which option has the least price, and you will find it. See, I hope you got it. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you for listening.